how to reverse a video on Snapchat from camera roll. So in order to do that, we need to find videos from our camera roll. So let's say, for example, this tutorial. All right, okay, so I chosen this sample video. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swipe from left to right. Okay, and you're gonna see the speed, maximum speed, and you will see only filters. That means that this feature is not provided for other than Snapchat videos, recorded by Snapchat videos only. Okay, but we will let you know in the future if this reverse Snapchat feature has been provided to videos from a camera roll. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.